Hello? Ya wakili. Na very ngo wa case ni inquiry kubwata sini. You are busy, but you cannot make a call back. No, na very ngo kodiki for a while now. You know you have to release my money. Chibe sikia na chirega abu my trust fund is supposed to be released when I'm 21 years old. Ngoroche I turned 21 like months ago. Pesa zangu hazijakuwa released asiki. Omaitene igwe tomo kwana na tata bo tuko about how mota iteko kora monga chibe secho. There's no way you oko kwane gento bunekyo. I will come to your office. Ngocha baka office yao. No, things are getting to that point because at this point is here I na tate mo nkorerego sorry. That is my money. That is my money. No, to manyeti pi I to manyeti pi yango kan to manyeti pi ngocha office ya to ko ngancha pi. If you do not release my money, a week ya moyo kan kwete you release my money. Oh, tota I think I chibu, but you want to do things behind my back with my dad, mo ngachibe se chian mokaite mondi mi. It will not happen. Ngocha ndeba ko office yao, ngoko regen tota anchepi. You will lose your license. I will take this to court. It's not something that can go die. That is my money. No, you have no right to do what you're doing right now. You and my dad are trying to frustrate me. But that is my money. You cannot tell me that this process takes longer than this. No, I was supposed to receive my money once I turned 21. Those were months ago. A week no, this week or else you will know what I'm made of. No, we are not having a discussion. I'm not negotiating about this. That is my money. And what you're doing is not right. Have a good evening, sir. Yani, how can people behave like yani kwani chinechibes kia ambe kirete gaiga? Oh, you don't know who you're dealing with. Ma bangira kuonga chibes kia na baka bono igo. Ya wasentata. Na bako na okole bintone wakili bangira kuonga chibes na abuatiri from that time baka bono iga ko igorona igwete ba kwani sisi me bataita kundi mi chibes kia. Ntomera chibes andugega at this point ko basambra ndo nyumbo. Njana rosire ko bera iga kira ritu ko kunya ko mani gwe mtobitayo bataita kuonga chibes ne kwani I have to beg for this money. Why aren't you here helping me fight for this? Ma. Yeah, I know I have to be patient, but at this point, imepita sasa. No, Tata is unbearable. I cannot stand to be here anymore. Mom, just do something, Mom. I don't want to be here, Mom. Yeah. Okay. I'll walk around the man. Yang kaitin ada naik boleh keluar itu. So, I love you too.
Kipenzi na kioge ndrata kagiwa.
Kipenzi no.
Moni kioge jeruwe karona jire na ngolengi.
Ndenaro kurangirira.
Nenaro munga kage ko sinaza bino mate kenyoreke buno kumete. Sina tusige teke nyoreke. Na kioge ndrata.
Buno ndo chega na kindi.
Tori bo mbiole ni mate korukale mbiole. Yani tigachindo inkiekebe.
Wono koroche mbiandi na ndingi uko mbole
lina. Sina na ngolengi ya toramanya. Na bora nyone mambi ninje noye president ga ngoye nonye kasi.
President.
What's a ninja? Ekaro kwa leona lingo kwa ora buno bungo buchakira ko ubye.
Echange eta kura gutiga.
Squeeze ndi kwa nyumono nende changana atiga
squeeze. Timi tuno ebono ningo umuntu nari buno ngari tiko umuntu nari ndeshwa ugakari gutara busa. Muntu naro urusiti kuchenga maragoba.
Echi? Gere lingo bwi.
Ense tari yo mugakori rugari bonosira.
Ona buno.
Igo boibi bono bwawe kirimba kuka kare kuibamba okuibera mpaka bantu batinde kuri kwenda batinde kora kuiba.
Owe bwawe na machai. Abuno mochando ogore oka.
Ogochaya abantu. Igo ense umugakori ngo cyari ngo cyakora mudosi.
Iri swali naga niyo mboli nirenga nagurete.
Ense niyo mugakori. Oikirimba kaso kuibera maremu.
Ono mwakori kagia yako se alenge feke ligingo musumari wale kako se ne ale.
Ense ne ya ebono kuibera mpaka maremu.
Matoncha ete bosa igo. Ingira kini ubonchaira. Sikuize bintu mbya nganja.
Nje ninde shwe buno edress etiga umuntu nari maragoba urusiti kucyenga gatara.
Yatokole bintu bibera isi. Sabie. Tegete ncengo goirasi gete obe gose no abo muntu. Otige kobeka ebira bikoro pakanse. Otige kobeka ebikore na kibinde bikoroko. Nakigende ekuguse nege tamboso nete pakanse bedsheet. Ono minetiga ngoli giase ngobeka ngega no bugima gose no. Na kioroji. Akaisinga roga kungaina na kuku kambwa to mochando na karako. Madina ngoja na akora. Ngoja na akora. Awa. Mwanja ine buya. Ndia more.
Kamwiski kwanza gukwane.
Ngone ndo tamaite kebwese kenyoreke nga na yagote magojera ngo bakora saba dosi.
Bono nki gya kurumekera kunche.
Bono akyo moisi oli aroche to ba mweligi yemo.
Yakiti mitera ningo kwesa buni bwisibi.
Tari rero liyo kana chakire bwisibi.
Kwendenza ne yamaremo begete bono rero ugakari gwi mokereri.
Bono kateke bwese na okonya asigete. No maite bwese bindaho kole kenyora no maito. Kwanya gutare kenyoro ligere buya ngaike bwese gosenkia uchi okole kenyoreke.
Sente irende kya kwenda okora.
Bwese tigangote. Omwana omosoti nero mubwate. Nende narongi gwete okale mulita sakare kebwese. Nende na gotebiri. Ono go gukira buya ai no tete ko mulito bone. No tete ko ba gosa ingira ne lingora na lingo mayengi ngote.
Mulito ntete ko batenda tete.
Onye sota ke tibono na ke kimineti na ki kebwese ndete ya okuira. Aitigana nere muntu ra okonya no obwate bone ke future bone una nkwanega. Roje una naja kiro basoka besa mboronga yete nende bo chikoru ase bo koru. Enda besa bone achake kunganja squeeze ngo jino ko nyara.
Tige studio. Tiga mutige kana mutige bono ndigiri mugakole orubia. Mugako bwate besa. Muntu bwate besa.
Bakwaranje na kare bimbegete tindi mosaje.
Okay bono.
Iganje ningo. Ngyo tagete.
Moisikoyo. I think ndo jina kwagenda we lawyer, my personal lawyer, mwakwa nere without you gwantebi igombu ya gusigwa chakiri chitabichia nyoko ngakyo kwenda se lawyer tele gwantebi.
I didn't think you'd want to know. And what I wanted ukwana na lawyer about, it doesn't really involve you, Dad. That's why I just went to see him. It was just a courtesy call. There was nothing more.
Courtesy?
Yes, I just wanted to go talk to him about something and he go.
Courtesy?
Yeah.
Courtesy to my lawyer, you don't have to inform me.
Dad, that's a family lawyer. I'm part of the family, remember? I don't have to tell you everything I do. I'm an adult.
Remember, you're an adult under me.
Shouldn't.
Remember, you are a family member under me. Remember, that is a family lawyer under me and under my obligations. When you go there, you go be notified. So what was it that you discussed?
Kendi nkeyo, really. Chibesiana that release. And he still doesn't want to do that. And I don't seem to know why. Because I am of the legal age.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
So you think by going to him, Nago got the right you can overlook because he's a family lawyer when the Mokoli Bintonere and I'm still in charge of this family. Huh? You think so? Naboro chebirenge bia goikiria guna bono nchitinyo naboko kore bintu nere. You are supposed to go on tebinga ni gonta gete bintu biane bibanguga because I'm aware and I know if ochake go kore bintu koru motu goru na nyoko tindu jigo sento konya ne baba. Goikomanya na nindo naende onge maskani ane nambu na nsoni chiane ili nalitura iwane nae teba na watagite amaria ni maite naro lakini as for now ninte nenere tugo ike signature ane koreki ili ikomanya konyanyora. Oh, you don't know that. Tumaitibo.
So that this entire time naye okwa the lawyer instructions not to process my document.
I can't.
You have been doing that and you are talking about Incheko and behind your back. We are talking about Chibestiane. Na tigire tu na soko Chibestiane, my money, dad. You were put in charge because I was not old enough. It's not your money. Again, it is not okay. You are frustrating me with your lawyer and you think it's okay. No, I am not trying to do that. Dad, I have been trying to have conversations with you for the longest time. But you have not given this relationship a chance. But I am sorry to say this, but Tata, you have been insanely arrogant. I can't talk to you. If anything, if anything. How am I supposed to talk to you? How am I supposed to tell you anything when the only thing you look at me ukiona that is trouble? Or you or she's here to cause something. I'm not asking for so much. I just want my money, I go my way. The moment I get my money, I will go.
Bintu mukale ko no so tinda cha gwikiara omongi no ena chitega kumbule maswali ntarengereti and it is not a sap. Anyway, iko mugambete na nyoke bintu gete ntamanyiti ikore chibese. You see why I am behaving the way I'm behaving is your relationship with your mother and me. Huh? If onye requiring in an harmonic situation, you might no might take a song on a kinako so na querite school and then jengwaka nirite chibeso ga somogaika. Tu wene tikunye ni wene konge bere na nchi to ebera ni kya no mwanon. Tu wene reti konto konyera. Trubena. Tu wene reti pi konto konyera. Ekiara no nya tata who is your grandfather koli kirete will because you were young. Ngari gete ogocha konyigora. Kalinje. So it is me. Ninje ndanche onyo chibesechi osito onyora. Right now I have so many problems financial. And you know it is because of your mothers.
I only have one mother, Dad.
It is because of your mothers. Nekerongo kwa na igo no bwenete koiguna igo nkimine tikia no nyugwete. They have caused me to be in this stress. Wano take tenga endere kutuwa this is stress. Aye.
Pono chibesi
na bota ke tenga endere kutuwa stress ye chibesa.
No.
Chirondo chimbwenete koigora. Onge. Am I going to have part of that money? Kiara signature ya netigarite. But if I'm not getting anything, I'll not give my signature. Right now, you know what I'm going through.
I can't believe you're doing this right now. It's something you're not going to let me have this money. But if I am correct, in the case that you are not here, there is a way I will still get that money.
Kill me.
Well, at this point, if you're blackmailing me and you are my dad,
That is not blackmail.
that is blackmail, Dad. That if I don't do this, you're going to do this. What is that?
Look at your statement. Look at your statement. If you are not there, I can still get that money.
It's just a statement.
Ngakikwa beke kente kibaba.
It's just a statement.
Ngakikwa kibeke igo kwaro na wa kibeka nje tindengere kiwa kwan. Igo na ngo chimori go combine na nyoko na bakungwa bande to stress me even more. Look at it. That is what comes to my mind. Musiko. And the way I loved you, guys.
You loved me, that's right.
Eh?
Loved.
No ane bintebye kero my father go kobekera mbona sin to ikaranstine to kagamba ngamadena tinko manya nkikira abense na bora abekero mwana nere mbwat. You were the only one then. But now look at what you're
Tata
doing.
nkwa bwate bintu byao.
Look at what
Tata
you're
nkwa
doing.
bwate bintu byao. You had your things. You had your money.
I love the
got
way you are
nothing
saying,
of that. I got none of that.
Ikia tinko ile this school.
Well, it's my right. Education is a right. It's not a favor.
Akiwa America. Oh, America. But this one, I have a right. I have the hand. You got to go. Okwana na ncheboronge keronde in the right moods. Na linda akotegere na endo nyona nimbuate problems chia nechire caused by your mothers. Your mothers.